Good afternoon, morning, or evening, whatever time it is, whatever day. It's Veterans Day. I had a great day. It's my day. It's Veterans Day. So I just got back from an adventure with my eldest, Lulu. The Goodwill Hinckley first, did some metal detecting, or not Goodwill Hinckley, but KVCC property, did some metal detecting. And then we did some magnet fishing because she got bored. She's like, I like magnet fishing better. So I was like, okay, I will go magnet fishing. Awesome time. I'm gonna do the magnet fishing video first, and then I will do the metal detecting video at the end because it wasn't that much. I didn't do a lot of metal detecting. I did another test, not really a test. I didn't clean my magnets because I wanted to see the reaction, if there was actual reaction, if it rusted. I wanted to see if, like, what happens when you don't maintain them. Because myself, I got stuff to do, you know. I'm not gonna maintain or clean everything that I have. I want to use it and go, or I want to pull it out, use it, go, and then put it back. You know, that's I mean, I don't have a lot of time because I got kids, I got other things, I got jobs, whatever. But I want to see the effect on these magnets if you don't maintain them or if you don't clean them. So also, I'm gonna show you how to clean them because I do like to clean my stuff and maintain my things. Mainly dig out. So as you can see, wear and tear after a couple of uses, more than a couple. They're pretty beat up, still functional though. They still work as they're supposed to. I literally had to beat this magnet off of a bridge today with a pickaxe and my shovel. Kind of unexpected. Lulu set it down on the bridge. Just a natural reaction to not wanting to hold something. It took a good 30 minutes. Anyway, that was fun. Learned a lesson there, both Lou and I. So you can kind of see that there is rust. And I haven't cleaned these for like a couple of uses. So I literally threw them in my truck and it was like, I'm ready, because they're supposed to be ready to go. Like, you're supposed to use them, put them in your truck, and have them ready to go. At least that's in my head how they're supposed to work. So I got some rust here and there. That's about it. I mean, I've used and abused these without a doubt. I still can't get some of that stuff off. Anyway, that's gonna bug me. This one, the muscular magnetics, the paper's coming off. I have beaten it. This side's not that bad. I try to get all that stuff. It's driving me crazy. This side, definitely can tell I've used it. I can kind of see where the different rust spots are, and yeah, where it's got some marring, but it's still a magnet. And I can see where the rust is right there. I think that's rust. We'll see, or I will see. And all right, I have WD-40. It works for everything, anything in life. If you're having troubles, if you're depressed, WD-40. So this is what I'm slowly learning about cleaning these magnets. I just cleaned this one, and it's still dirty. I just cleaned the inside of it because there's a whole bunch of like stuff that is magnetic that gets caught in there. So I guess a con of the larger magnets, or the larger service magnets, is that there's more to clean. And the smaller double-sided magnets, less to clean. But I would suggest, and what I'm not doing now because I just learned this, something that is not magnetic. So like a toothpick or whatever, like one of the plastic toothpicks. But this is doing a decent job. And what I'm doing is I'm pushing all the debris to the bottom, and then taking my cloth and wiping it off. So that's what all this stuff is. And it's kind of helping a little bit. If you have a suggestion, let me know, because I would love to find an easier way to do this. So my eldest made the command decision to that we need to go magnet fishing. So we went stop metal detecting and we went magnet fishing, or we're about to. So I got the 2 magnets, the muscular magnetics, double-sided magnet, and the brute magnetics, regular magnet. And I even brought gloves today. So I got the newer pair for Lou and the junky pair for Dad. So let's do this. We're at, I think it's called Shumit Dock. I can never pronounce it. There's a dam somewhere. I think it's down that way. And yeah, let's do this. So Lulu's gonna toss the magnet in. It's her first time throwing the brute magnetics magnet. Are you ready, Lou?
Yeah.
Do it. 1, 2. So what I learned today about these different magnets, I guess you can call it pros and cons, is that this for a child is harder to throw, obviously, than this. This is lighter. This is better for a child to throw, easier, and they'll get more distance. Not so much on this one. This one's a beast. So I am magnet fishing this bridge. This bridge doesn't have a name, but this is the old Goodwill Hinckley property, KVCC property, the Goodwill Hinckley farm. I'm here with my 2.0, my oldest, Lulu. And I'm glad this is the first time I've magnet fished this bridge, and I'm here with Lou. So it's good times. Gorgeous spot right on a main road though. So what Lulu just did, and I'll have to get it recorded again, is we lowered the magnet and just kind of dragged it halfway. We felt something pull on it, like it was gonna get stuck, and then we brought it up. But what we found is this, which is awesome, is a whole bunch of stuff. Picked up the magnet, found a whole bunch of crazy stuff on it, which is unusual. But what this stuff is, I started looking at it, it's multiple different things. It's a bike chain. And that's real cool. I don't know if there's a bike down there. We'll see. Anyway, pretty cool. There's multiple other things there. But yeah, awesome. All right, no, Lulu. Okay. Yeah, Lulu learned a hard lesson. I learned a hard lesson, and Lulu understands. Keep the magnet away from large metal bridges. So no idea what it is. I'll give this catch to Lou. I gave her a little assist because it fell in again. It fell off the magnet, so no idea what it is. Lou, it's stuck in there. Let's get a good look. Flip her over. No idea at all. Huge magnetic rock. But that goes to Lou. Bonus stuff onto whatever Lulu caught. That's pretty cool looking. Clean it off and throw it back in, or throw the magnet back in. So I told Lou one last time before we hit another spot, and this is my one last time. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna pull it off, clean it off a little bit, and see what we find. Some weird stuff on it. All right, so Lulu found a bike chain, or pieces of a bike chain. Did not find the bike. It's probably still in there. Maybe it's not a bike chain, but that is an awesome find for the Lou. And I found, well, she also got the biggest find out of the 2 magnets of all our magnet fishing trips, which is this. I just pulled this out and got one hook and a lot of scrap out of the stream today. This is Martin stream. A good day. It was a good day. Just a random trip with my eldest on Veterans Day. Good times.
Also, if you look closely, you can see weird things running through.
Kind of like a vein. I'm anxious to clean that off. There's a World War I memorial that we're gonna go check out, and it's kind of forgotten. Except for me, I've had it in my videos a couple of times. So, mainly dig out. So it is Veterans Day, and I am the mainly digger. Myself and my eldest are back. Well, she hasn't been here yet, but I'm back on the KVCC property. that used to be owned by Goodwill Hinckley. In the same spot as last time. The gates are over there. And I thought the house, I was looking for a house site. And it was like, I didn't really have an idea of where it was. I just knew it was in this area. So looking at the maps, the old maps, it's in this area right here. And looking behind me is, I can see where the driveway was. So I'm in the right area. I'm stoked. Here with my number one, my eldest, and I'm doing some daddy-daughter time right now. So good times, mainly to go out. Legitimately the first find of the day. I don't know what it is. I'm excited. Anyway, right by the road, right by where the driveway would be, the pull-up. So we'll see. I'm gonna clean it off. Oh, it looks like a memorial penny. We'll see. Oh, it's just a memorial. It is a memorial. It's 1978. Knowing that how old this site is and how old, it just got my heart going. But that's a cool first find, first coin of the day, and that's just cool. This site dates back past the 1800s. So at least I think, at least the 1800s at the very least. But it was demolished in the 90s when the college took it over. So that is a penny. So found another square nail. There's something down there that there's no way, it's too big. I'm not getting it out with, I would need my truck and probably a tow rope. Not doing it today. So probably a piece off a tractor, maybe, I don't know. Cool, still keeping it. I gotta go track down my 2.0. She went over the hill. So I found a hinge. Can't be that old. It has screws. The screws have, it can't be that old. Anyway, so I told my eldest to obey the rules. And she's like, what are the rules? And didn't say anything. So she's really confused right now. It's kind of hilarious. Anyway, she's off doing her own thing, exploring. So this is the hinge I just found, and in the same hole I found what I think are more nails, or more pieces of the hinge. So that's cool. In the same area, and I'm finding the same kind of weird melted lead, schmed, sled, I don't know. Anyway, like maybe there's a fire, who knows? Could have been a fire, could have been, I don't know, who knows? Anyway, it's weird. I'm recording it. I found it. Minute ago. More weird lead. It gives off an amazing signal. So I get excited. Turns out it's just melted lead. Okay. So found a pot handle. I don't know how old it is. I'll have to clean it off later and look for any markings. Probably not any markings on it, but whatever. We're gonna move on, and we're gonna do some magnet fishing. So these are my finds for the day for metal detecting. Gonna guess that is a hinge, or half of a hinge, part off a tractor or a truck or a vehicle, who knows. A lot of melted lead. I don't know what that's from. And then a pot handle, which is kind of cool. I think it's cool. So, all right, so all finds for the end of the day. Lulu found a lot of this stuff, actually. So proud of her. She found or pulled up a bicycle or a chain, just a regular chain. That's cool. Pulled up that. Pulled up this bad boy. And these, I found some other lead, but this is cool. I found this at the KBCC property. And this pot handle, pretty sure it's a pot handle, which I don't know how old it is. Definitely gonna clean this off. I just want to clean this off and see what it is. It's really crusted. I'm gonna have to let it dry out. I don't know. Anyway, that's cool.